Hi, honeys. How's your day going? Mine is going fine. Okay, the people at COSORI reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their premium 6-quart pressure cooker. And of course I was. So stay tuned for this unboxing. Okay, first of all, it came in this brown box. See here? And this has a handle, so I just lifted it out the brown box. So this is what it looks like. It's 6 quarts. I believe it's the very latest one they have. Okay. And I like that it has all these presets on here. So I'm gonna take this out the box. Oh, it's heavy. Nice. Comes with pamphlets. This is a recipe booklet in here. Let me see. So y'all can see what you get with it. Okay. What is this? Cheat sheet. Oh, you have to register for a bonus year warranty. Okay. I'll keep that. Oh, this is the booklet on telling you how to use it. Instruction booklet. And a nice little recipe book. Yum. Okay. And what's in here? Take that off. Look, y'all. It comes with a glass lid. My other one didn't come with a glass lid. I used a lid from one of my cooking pots because I wasn't going to buy one. Very nice. That's a nice extra bonus. Okay, what else? It's well packed, I'll tell you that. I'm going to have to set this whole thing on the floor so I can lift this out. Okay. That's everything. And that's everything out the box. Okay, you take the plastic off. Look at this. Nice, nice, nice. Look how long this cord is. I got knife and scissors, y'all. I'm trying to stab myself. Okay. This is my first time looking at it, as I'm showing you all. Take this little twisty tie off the cord. It's like a 3-foot cord. Does it have paper on here? I'm pretty sure it does. They usually do have sticky. I don't know, but I ain't trying to scratch it up, trying to find out. I think so. Let's see. Okay, I'll get to that later. But I like all these presets. I've never used a preset on any of my kitchen gadgets. But I think I will be using it on here. It has a lot of extra presets. So you just press one button and it will automatically adjust the pressure and the cooking time. So I like that feature. I mean, I have presets on my other one too, but I just never use them. But this has so many more practical things like meat stew, white rice. It has brown rice, multigrain, steamed vegetables, beans, chili, soup, poultry, pasta, steamed potatoes. They have the steamed potatoes and steamed vegetables, so I like that. You can bake, saute, of course, and I don't know what this hot pot feature is. They also have a reheat feature, slow cook, it makes yogurt. Okay, I'm gonna peel that paper off. Okay, let's see how the top looks. Okay, I noticed right away that, okay, I take this off. Okay, this top is different from my other one. The other top I have has a like a metal finish up here, and I burned my hand with, sometimes when I take the lid off, my knuckles hit it and it burns. Okay, let's see how it looks under here. Okay, I want to see how easy it is to take off this gasket, because I always take my gasket off the other one after I'm through cooking with it, and I wash it and make sure all of this under here is completely dry. Okay, I'm just taking it partially out, so it works like the other one. Just make sure this goes up under that, I call it a retainer ring. I don't know what they call it. It has that like the other one and this. Okay, I got this this ring in here properly. See what else we got up in here. Okay, it comes with the cup, like the others, and these spoons, like the others, and this condensation cup. Should be on the back somewhere. Should just slide on. Something just fell off. Okay, I hope that ain't nothing that's needed. Okay, that just dropped off. Let me see. Okay, that ain't supposed to be like that. It just dropped off. So I'm glad I'm doing this on camera. So, and you do need the condensation cup, because sometimes when you cook in stuff like rice or something with a lot of froth, it does form condensation in this cup, and you have to clean it out. Okay, that came off. I'm gonna have to contact the company, even though they gave me this for free for my review. That broke off too easy. Okay, let's get on with the rest of it. I know they don't want to see that in their review, but that's what happened. It came with an extra sealing ring, gasket, whatever you call this. And I don't know another pressure cooker that comes with this extra. I had to buy extra sealing rings for my other one. Steamer basket trivet thingy. Look at that. This is good for putting potatoes on. If you want to have like baked potatoes, putting vegetables on, chicken wings. I would put chicken wings on here. You got the feet so your stuff ain't sitting in water or in liquid. Very nice. And the very good thing about this is that it has a stainless steel bowl or pot. That's the main reason I bought the other pressure cooker I have, for the stainless steel inner pot. Very nice. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this is the 6-quart pressure cooker. And that's how it looks inside. And whenever you use your pressure cooker, make sure this is completely dry. There's no water or condensation on it, because you don't want that getting down in this part where the heating element is. Nice. Very nice. So I'm going to be using this later on today, and that video will probably be up tomorrow. But this is just my first impression unboxing video. So far I like it, all except for that little piece that just fell off. The other one is on here good, but it shouldn't be that easy to fall off. It shouldn't have fallen off. And what's this? I'm gonna put this lid on here. First I'm gonna see if how this glass lid fits. Seated nicely. Very nice. If you want to use the slow cooker setting, I'm sure I saw one on here. Let me see. Slow cook. You can use this if you don't want to bring your food up to pressure. That's when you use this top, this lid. Very nice. So I'm gonna put this on here. Let's see how this goes. Where the front and where the back. Oh, here's an arrow. So I guess arrows should line up somewhere. I don't see one. Let's sit on here and I'm gonna try to. Okay, it goes on easy. Oh, it has an arrow right here on the pot itself, and then it has a lock symbol on the lid. So you line up the arrow with the lock symbol to lock it. And to unlock it, you turn it in the opposite direction. Here's the arrow, and here's the unlock symbol. I'll just take it off again and show you. See the lock and unlock. Let's see about this venting. Okay, I just read my instruction booklet, and the it's locked when, okay, it's sealed in the sealed position and ready to come up to pressure when it's in the lock position. It's a little lock on the lid, the top of here, and it's a little sting. I guess when you want to release it, turn it that way toward the button, but this way is locked toward the lock. Okay, so they have instructions on top of the lid, which I may take off. It says not to cover the pressure relief valve. Okay, keep hands and face away from pressure release valve, you know, when you open it, because there's hot steam that's going to come out of here. You don't want a free moisturizer like that. And do not immediately release pressure when cooking or heating up liquids. Allow extra time for contents to cool. Okay, y'all. So, let's see where the front. So put this lid on right. Okay, and I'm sure once it's plugged in, it will make a little tune to let you know that the lid is seated properly. Okay, so that's my unboxing and first impression review of the COSORI 6-quart premium pressure cooker. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will leave links in the description box where you can find this pressure cooker. And my cooking video will be coming up in another. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.